Section 4.4 Interactive Assignment, Objective 2. In an effort to gauge how the country's population feels about the immigration, researchers surveyed adult citizens. One question asked was, on the whole, do you think immigration is a good thing or a bad thing for this country today? The conditional distribution table of immigration opinion by ethnicity is given here in the accompanying table. We want to draw a bar graph of the conditional distribution. So we're going to click the icon to view the conditional distribution of immigration policy. So, ethnicity, excuse me. So we're going to go ahead and then open this up into StatCrunch. Okay, so in this example, we're going to have to maneuver some things a little bit. Okay, and what I mean by that is, okay, we're going to have to create columns. So we're going to make sure that the opinion is in the columns. So we're going to create a column that represents here a good thing. And all I'm doing is copying and then pasting those values in here. So we're making those the column headings. Okay, so we have the column headings of good thing, bad thing, good and bad, and an opinion, and no opinion. And now the first one, we're going to copy the title of non-Hispanic whites, and we're going to go ahead and then put that in here. Okay, and so then we're going to put our number. So we're going to copy 0.504 that represents a good thing, and then 0.357 is the bad thing, and then we're going to copy and paste 0.029 here, and then do the same thing here. Okay, and then we're going to copy the next title of the columns, which is black. So we're going to copy that, and then put that here as a row. And then what we're going to do is copy these numbers. So 0.547 goes here for the good thing, and then 0.363 goes here, 0.05 goes here, and 0.04 goes here. Okay, and then the last one, we're going to have Hispanics. That's going to go here, 0.738 goes here, 0.169 goes here, 0.062 goes here, and then 0.031 goes here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we want to use this information now, starting with var5, okay, which represents ethnicity. So let me go ahead and rewrite that as ethnicity, just so that we can follow along here. Okay, and so here is our rows, and then we're going to use this as our column. So we're going to go ahead and go to graph. We're going to go to chart and then select columns. So what do we have in our columns? Well, what we want to do is the columns that we created were good thing, hold the control button for bad thing, good and bad, and no opinion. Okay, and then it says the row labels are going to be in where? Well, it's going to be in the ethnicity, because that is the column where it has those three rows. Okay, now in our example, okay, it's given as vertical bars. So we want to make sure that we're not using horizontal bars split. We want to look at vertical bar split. And then we're going to select compute. Okay, and then here, what we're going to have is the following. We're going to have these graphs. So we can see that the blue represents a good thing, and here we have our ethnicities down here. So good thing is blue, bad thing is red, good and bad is green, and yellow is no opinion. Okay, in this one, we can see that blue represents a good thing. Okay, the middle left, which is the green, represents the bad thing, and then the red represents the good and bad, and the gray represents no opinion. So these are similar to kind of what we just did in our graph. Now we have to decide which one represents which one. Okay, so if we take a look here, okay, this one has the blue larger than the red, so we're going to have to eliminate part A. Okay, if we look at part B, we can see that blue is still less than the red. So if we take a look at the last one, we can see how it matches. So this one matches with this one matches with this, and this one matches with that one. So therefore, it looks like it is C, so our answer is C. And therefore, that concludes this question.